I'm Natalia Bonner. Welcome back. All right, so every Monday I love hopping on here and sharing a fun little machine quilting video with you. I hope that these videos inspire you to get your rulers out, to get your machine quilting, and to start practicing. The only way you're ever going to improve, really at anything, is by practicing. So hopefully these videos inspire you to practice just a little bit. All right, so what am I quilting on here? So I have a brand new series that starts in September. Actually, every year in September. This is year 7, so the 9 patch along 7.0 is this year. And in this series, I teach you how to machine quilt 9 patch quilt blocks using my machine quilting rulers. You can still go back and join all the previous versions of the 9 patch along, so there's a lot of inspiration there with all those series. Anyways, today we're going to be focusing on using the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler. I'm going to create a fun little flower, but we'll also be combining that with a bit of free motion quilting. I just love the combination of ruler quilting and free motion quilting. We have created an awesome companion design workbook. Definitely check that out, but in that we've included all of these designs plus QR codes that you can scan with your smart device and come back and watch these videos at any time. So make sure you do check that out. Find all the details, all the products that I'm using here on this quilt over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. All right, I know you're done hearing me talk, so let's hop down here to the machine and let's get quilting. All right, so on this block and throughout this whole series, I'm doing a lot of ruler quilting and a lot of free motion quilting. Whenever you're doing any machine quilting with rulers, make sure that you do have a ruler foot on your machine, as well as a ruler base. That's what creates this nice, large, flat working surface. These are essential tools for ruler quilting. I do recommend picking that up from your machine dealer, machine manufacturer, so that you know that it fits your machine and works properly on your machine. We're going to use the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler here today. You can pick up this ruler over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. But what we're going to do is actually travel along the ditch over here, actually probably about to the middle point. And then I'm going to use these markings here on the Sway 4 machine quilting ruler. This circle end here on the ruler is designed for machine quilting a perfect 4-inch circle, which means I've designed it to take into consideration that you should be using a ruler foot, and that is going to add 1/4 of an inch. So my tools are designed taking that into consideration. Let's start up here, travel across. Once I get to that point, then I'll apply gentle pressure here on my ruler, as well as gentle pressure on my machine. I'll engage the machine, stitching in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 14 stitches per inch. I'll glide around the side of that ruler. Okay, so right there through the center of this circle end, you can see that there are a few lines that mark the center point. What I want to do at this point is line up those markings so that they line up right there on top of that ditch. So let's line that up. It looks like I need to stitch over a couple more stitches to there. Okay, so there's the simple curve, the foundation of that design. Now out here around the outside, I want it to be a fun flower, so I'm going to add in just some fun flower petals. Now these are free motion. I'm basically kind of curving out to the outside with that sharp point. Okay, super cute, love it like that. I'm going to leave mine a little bit more simplistic and leave it like that, but you always could go through, add a fun filler in there, maybe like some pebbles would be cute, make it look a little bit like a sunflower. You could also add little vines up in each of those. Have fun with these designs and really start to get creative. Okay, I love how that block turned out. Simple with a little bit of ruler quilting, but also so cute with a little bit of free motion quilting. Make sure you do run over to our website, peaceandquilt.com, where you can find all the details about this series, the 9 patch long 7.0. You can also grab the companion design workbook. But before you do that, make sure you do hit that subscribe button because I will be back soon with another fun machine quilting video. See you then.